This is another example of reverse syllogism where you are given conclusions and you have to find out which statements would lead to these conclusions. The statements are the options here, and if you see, we have two conclusions and then we have options 1, 2, 3 and 4. There's a fifth option which says more than one is correct. So what we do is we first draw the basic diagram for each of the options. So for the first option you draw a basic diagram. If it is false, as in the conclusions do not lead from these statements or from this simple drawing, then you reject that. Okay, let us say we draw a basic diagram for 1 and it doesn't lead to the conclusions, it's not the option. If you draw it for 2 and it's not the option, then you cancel that. But in the basic diagram for 3, if the conclusions are correct, then you draw all potential drawings for that option. Okay, so for any option you draw the basic diagram. If the basic diagram does not lead to the conclusion, then you don't do anything else with the option, you cancel that option. Let us see. Some kangaroos are ants. Let us draw the first option here. Some kangaroos, I will draw the basic diagram. Some kangaroos are ants. Then no ant is an otter. So no ant is an otter. This is otter. No ant is an otter. And then we have all otters are boys. Okay, so I have all otters are boys. Correct. Some kangaroos are ants, which is this area. No ants are otters. And all otters are boys. Let us see if the conclusions are correct. Some otters are not kangaroos. So first conclusion is correct through this statement. Some ants are not boys, which is possible. Some ants are not boys is also possible. So in this diagram, where the basic diagram leads to the conclusions being correct, let us draw some alternate drawings. Some kangaroos are ants. I will draw it this way. Some kangaroos are ants. Draw it this way. So same thing. The basic diagram, both the conclusions are correct. Let us draw some alternate drawings. For option, this is for option 1. Some kangaroos are ants. No ant is an otter. So I will draw this way. No ant is an otter. And then all otters are boys. So I'll just draw it this way. All otters are boys. This is also correct. No ant is an otter is correct. Some kangaroos are ants is correct. And no otter is a boy. All statements have been drawn. Some otters are not kangaroos. So conclusion 1 is correct in this alternate diagram. Some ants are not boys. This conclusion is not valid. Some ants are not boys. All ants are boys here. Hence, first option is not the answer because the second conclusion does not lead from option 1. Hence, it is not the answer. Let us draw the second drawing. Basic drawing, the simplest possible drawing we'll draw, and then if it is correct, then we'll draw alternate drawings. If it is wrong in the basic diagram itself, there is no point in doing the alternate drawings. All kangaroos are ants, so I'm doing the second drawing now. Okay, I'm doing the second drawing. All kangaroos are ants. All kangaroos are ants. Some ants are otters. Some ants are otters. And then all otters are boys. Okay, all otters are boys. I'll write this. All otters are boys. Okay. So let us look at the first conclusion. Some otters are not kangaroos. Yes. Okay. We have some otters which are not kangaroos. We have all otters which are not kangaroos. The first conclusion is correct in this basic diagram for option 2. This is option 2 basic diagram. Some ants are not boys. That is not correct. Some ants are not boys. That is not correct. So second conclusion is not valid in diagram 2. Hence, this is not the answer. Okay. So these two drawings are for first option. We do two drawings here because in the first drawing it is both the conclusions are valid. So then you draw alternate drawings. In the second option, first drawing itself the conclusions are not valid. So you don't have to draw anything else. And second option is also not the answer. Let us do the third drawing now. Let me erase some. Okay. In the third and fourth we draw, we see since if you get one option as correct, you still have to see all because the fifth option says more than one is correct. Okay. So let us look at the third option. No kangaroo is an ant. Basic option. Basic drawing. No kangaroo is an ant. All ants are otters. So I will draw this. All ants are otters. And then some ants are not boys. Okay, I'll draw this. Some ants are not boys. So see, this was all ants are otters, right? So this should be O. All ants are otters. No otter is a boy. So firstly we did no kangaroo is an ant. That is option 3. All ants are otters. So all ants are inside otters. And then no otter is a boy. There should not be any overlap here. So I have drawn the basic diagram. In this, some otters are not kangaroos. Some otters are not kangaroos. Correct? So this otter, which is here, will not be kangaroos because there is no overlap between kangaroo and ants. And so otter, these are also otters, right? Which I have shaded now. These are also otters. Those otters can never be kangaroos. Hence, first option is correct. First conclusion is correct. Let us look at the second conclusion. Some ants are not boys. See, all the otters are not boys. So there is no overlap between otter and boys. So between this and this also there can't be any overlap because all ants are otters. And second conclusion is also valid. So for the basic diagram it is correct. Let us draw some alternate diagrams and see if it is still correct. No kangaroos are ants. Sorry, no kangaroos are ants, right? No kangaroos are ants. Then you will have all ants are otters. Then I will draw all ants are otters. And then you will get no otter is a boy. Let us say we draw it this way. No otter is a boy. No otter is a boy. So there should not be any overlap between otter and boys. There should not be any overlap between kangaroos and ants. Let us look at the conclusion 1. Some otters are not kangaroos. Okay. So there is no overlap. So this will definitely not be kangaroos. Here in this drawing, everything is not a kangaroo. So this is correct. So conclusion 1 is also correct. Let us look at conclusion 2. Some ants are not boys. Okay. You will have all the ants which are not boys because there is no overlap between boys and otters. So conclusion 2 is also correct. Let's see if you can draw it in any other way. No kangaroo is an ant. I'm still drawing the third option. All ants are otters. All ants are otters. No otter is a boy. Okay, so this will be similar to this drawing only. This is the same. Okay, so in all the potential drawings that we draw, both the conclusions are valid. So option 3 is correct as of now. Let us look at option 4. If option 4 is wrong, we select 3 as the option. If option 4 is also correct, then we have to select 5 as the option because more than one is true. Let us look at option 4. Let's look at option 4. In option 4 again, we do the basic drawing first and then see if we can get the answers from those basic drawings. No kangaroo is an ant. So I get no kangaroo is an ant. Then no ant is an otter. Basic drawing, no ant is an otter. Then I get all otters are boys. Okay, so this is my basic drawing. All otters are boys. Can I get that? Can I get the options here? Some otters are not kangaroos. Okay, some otters. These otters are not kangaroos. So conclusion 1 is correct. Some ants are not boys. So conclusion 2 is also correct. In the basic diagram, it is correct. So let us see if you can draw some alternate diagrams and see if this still hold. So no kangaroos are ants. Alternate drawing. No kangaroos are ants. No ant is an otter. No ant is an otter. All otters are boys. All otters are boys. I can write this way as well. This is my alternate drawing. Let us see if the conclusions hold true. Some otters are not kangaroos. Okay, some otters are not kangaroos. Conclusion 1 holds. Some ants are not boys. No, all ants are boys in this drawing. Hence, conclusion 2 does not hold. So, in the alternate drawing for option 4, conclusion 2 is not valid. Hence, conclusion and statement 4 is also wrong. So, our answer is option 3. Right? You draw a basic drawing for each option. In the basic drawing, if the conclusions are not correct, then you strike out that option. If in the basic drawing it is correct, like here we got in the basic drawing we got it as correct, right? We got the conclusions correct. Then you start drawing alternate drawings. In the alternate drawings also the conclusions have to be correct. If in the alternate drawings conclusion is not correct, like here, then you cancel that option also. Here only 3 holds, hence our answer is option 3.